All right, guys, it's a little bit loud in here, but we're gonna do a video of us in process on this thing. So we got the saddle here. In a previous video, we showed you how we ground the top of it and reference off of these binders. So that way we're parallel top and bottom. Now the next step we're doing is we're removing the Turcite from the Y-axis. So this is a Turcite here. You can see it's not too worn out. You can see some lines in here. So it's not terrible. What was unusual is as we pulled off for the master, you actually have rust behind here, so that was about ready to go. You can see all the tint behind it, whatever the case is. He just scraped out this is just glue on here. And you can see it's a rough surface. It has to be a rough surface because that's what allows the glue to stick to it. So on the flats, we got 45 thousandths. On the master, which would be 32 thousandths, which would be this one. Like I said, you guys had good lubrication to the machine. You just had it worn out on the end, so it's probably rocking in the center, which is not typically a good thing. When you do Turcite or any type of job, you always want to cut out the center so it sits on 2 points. Is how we typically like to do it and all other builders. But what's going to happen is he's going to clean this up with a wire brush, which is going to be right here. Remove all the old glue and stuff, and then we're going to be cutting Turcite. This is 45 thousandths. We're going to be cutting Turcite to size. And then we're going to be prepping where we're going to be gluing it. So I'll have you come over here. So here are our parallels. All these are measured before we do it. 0, half thousand. We got to make sure that's all right. So we're actually going to take the saddle and we're going to lay it on the top of the saddle. So the Turcite's going to be on the high side. And we're going to be putting weights on these parallels and indicating off the table. I'll show you a video of how we do that next, but we're just measuring up Turcite as we speak, and we'll give you another video of how that goes. But you can see we got a ton of material of Turcite to cut to size and everything else. So stay tuned for the next video, and we'll show you. Thank you.